Good evening, everyone. A very, very happy welcome. Beautiful festival time. Uh, Time that actually heralds in the whole festive season. So, a lot of happiness, a lot of energy, and I hope all that energy just is going to take for us forward and open all those closed doors. So, Pan is right here, Pan is right here and he's looking at his mom and saying, Mom, I want to draw. It's so much fun. So mom looks at him and says, Pan, you need to read and write a little more. It's going to be class one. So Pan again looked at his mom and said, Oh, mom, I want to go out and play. It's going to be so much fun. Mommy looked at him and said, Hey, Pan, you're soon going to go to class one. Pan said, Mom, I've learned how to write A to Z. I love the way I can write. It's also neat and it's also good for and now I can also read and it's really fun. So mom looks at him and says, Pan, it has to be the curves and the writing and the practice all the way. What is all this fun? You're soon going to be in class one. Then Pan looks at her and says, Oh, mom, I don't like to write so much. I just like to look at numbers and play with them and measure things. So, mom, and it can be so much fun. But mom looks at him and says, Pan, you need to write the numbers very neatly in the blocks. They must just go 1, 2, 3, and they must go to 100 because you're going to be in class one. So, Pan wants to have fun, and mom wants to get him ready for class one.
Oh my God.
That is the journey of these little children. And to talk about this, I have this absolutely very energetic person who actually caught my eye a couple of months back. And I always thought, oh, I wish I could meet this person. And she messaged to me, and we have her here for you. Sapna ji, a very, very warm welcome to the Square Panda platform.
Thank you so much, Sonia ji. I mean, what you said that in fact, I had this feeling in my heart for years that I must meet you and I must interact with you. So I think God was really wanting, and this was the day when we had to come together.
So, Smriti, the dream of the Square Panda team and the person, their head who started this whole journey was, he said, I want to build a community. I want to build a community of just people who would like to come and share. And I want this to, and another second thing that he said is, I want this to become a come to point. It should not be a point where we just kind of talk and go ahead. So for these come to points to people, Sapnaji, for me, my belief is we are interacting with a lot of young people who look at us where we are today and say, how do you get there?
Yes.
So I normally never like to introduce a person with the profile, but I always love to start with your story of life. How would you want the young teams, young professionals, individuals, educationists to look at this wonderful journey and be inspired by it? So your story, your way, please.
Right. Thank you, Sonia ji. In fact, it's a fantastic way to allow somebody to get introduced in such a way, with my own story. So, without telling my age, let people guess how old how young I am. I think women do not want them to be labeled with a certain age. So, how it started probably. I have a very beautiful and a real story around me. So, my parents, they wanted me to study in an English medium school, and my grandparents, they always my grandfather, in fact, I lost him very early, but he used to say that he used to take name of the prime ministers and all that. They also studied in Deshka school. So according to him, Deshka school was a local school. So until 5 years of age, I wasn't allowed to go to school. For the simple reason, there was a tiff between my grandparents and my parents. And one fine day I landed, my parents took me to a school, which wasn't a school, it was in a garage. And Auntie Malik, she opened in there in the garage and she said, I'm just looking in for some children and parents who can just send their wards to be there. And all it started was with a story. So I remember those different kind of projectors at that time. So every morning, my father used to take me on his Lambretta, that scooter, and drop me over there. And I was like a little chubby, whatever, even I'm right now, a little chubby child. And so we were a couple of the first ones to the school, the first students of the school, because she started and my parents could convince my grandparents that it's just a new school. It's not even an English medium, nothing. And such a strong foundation we got. You know, the school, I have such fond memories of that garage with that little open space, a big house, auntie. We used to call her auntie. And, you know, auntie had that big house of hers. And all what we remember is we were just allowed to talk. We were allowed to express ourselves so much. And, you know, it was like everything, whatever we used to study. So that with that, those fond memories, I began my journey. And as I grew, I mean, of course, now it's easier for me to say that I've been a good academic student academically and in the other areas also. But I never wanted to be a teacher, being a daughter of a teacher. My mom was a teacher, and I refused myself to be, no, I don't want to be a teacher. For the simple reason, I thought there's a lot of slogging. And younger children of my age now, of course, you know, I sometimes blame, you know, sort of, we all sort of blame this younger generation that they want money very fast. But probably even I thought like that, you know, without slogging, can I become something? So I had no shortcut. And it so happened I got married to an army officer. I was pursuing my studies and I was doing my master's and happened to get married to an army officer. And I realized teaching is a very good profession. Because it's easier to move from a place to place and you when you have to restart yourself. So that is at that point of time, I somehow start with my first experience. I started somehow falling in love with education altogether because I felt this is such a strong thing where we build concepts into the minds of these younger children, not only the small kindergartners or the early learners, because my first class which I taught was class 11th. I used to teach them chemistry for a fewer days. That is how I began. And then I requested the school director that I want to be a class teacher or a teacher with the primary classes. Because that is what my words were, that when we blame that these, I used to hear the teachers in the staff room,
Yeah, these children don't do well. Yeah.
this is not do well. And I used to say that who's to be blamed? I mean, I want to build the foundation right from there and, you know, let these children be good children. And she looked at me with a question mark and she said, you speak my language, because she was also a brigadier's wife, but she owned a school. And she looked at me, she says, all yours, choose a class for yourself and become a class teacher. And that is how, I mean, it was, I mean, for a few years, I was contributing as a teacher, but as luck would have it, or maybe I had that element of doing some dadagiri on some people and all. So I was into the administrative role, being a school principal. And in my own way, definitely did a lot of reforms, some innovative ideas. I'll share a fantastic idea at this point of time, or maybe somewhere during the talk, or maybe let me do it right now. So, no, I remember we had a struggle that the children don't learn the periodic table, that is in chemistry. And one of the annual days, it was a 1 year we have that stage function, the other year we have a ground function. That is how we decided. So I created a complete drill all myself, along with a set of 7 teachers. And we really engaged a lot of classes and a lot of children together, a lot of usherers coming over there. And we created a ground periodic table. And half of my school had learned the periodic table by heart. I sort of wanted to replicate it many a times. I think it was just once or twice I could replicate it in the way it was. So, you know, when you ask me about my story, I come from a very simple family where parents had a dream that they wanted their daughter to go to an English medium school. And then I appeared for a variety of competitive exams, including medical entrance at that point of time. But then, yes, now my doctor isn't a medical doctor. I'm a padhai wala doctor. I earned it very late in life. And I prefer myself to be just called as Sapna Agarwal, but then this comes naturally now. So,
lovely.
So this is it, what I am. And off late, just during the pandemic, I think that is how also once we met, I started contributing on another social media, that is YouTube.
Yes, and the beautiful yes. In fact, she has lovely, very small snippets which are so beautifully done and which are so energetic. So I think that was the time when I looked at Sapna Jain and said, "Oh my God, look at the energy." So there was, out of your whole story, Smriti, there were 2 things which I gathered, that journeys of education don't stop. You keep learning. You said you got your doctorate just very recently.
Right.
So congratulations. It's my dream to do that, but I've joined Kathak classes instead. I thought, let me do something different because all the time I'm studying and I'm trying to learn. So I just thought, let me take a break because when I did this session with Himanshu about theater and expression and dance, I just said that no, I can read about psychology and I want to dance. So I actually took a conscious decision and I've registered for a Kathak class after this whole conversation, And I think that caught my ear was, you said that also I was really good. And because maybe I did Dadagiri. Correct? That was a nice word. I was very happy to hear that word. I'll tell you why. Because, you know, the whole education system, especially where we're talking about Vidya Pravesh class 1, is so ingrained on a process. Like this has to be done like this. And that's what we aim to all together to, kind of get over it. That yeah, this is how it worked for so many years. But now we would not want it to work like this. And I would be very happy if we do a little more forceful, thing on it and say, please change now. I think that is something which I really, would want to work. The first thing that I'm going to look at and ask you is that when you decided to come from the senior classes to the junior classes, I take training for foundation, for like early years, pre-primary, and every workshop I have finished almost 90,000 teachers, maybe more. I've lost count now. Every time they looked at me and the class 1 teachers would say, क्या पढ़ा के भेजते हो बच्चों को? लिखना नहीं आता, बोर्ड से पढ़ना नहीं आता. सो आई टू आस्क देम, आप बोर्ड पे इतना लिखते क्यों हैं कि मेरा बच्चा कॉपी नहीं कर पाता है? आई मीन व्हाई डू यू? एंड आई हैव बीन आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन फॉर 31 years. That every time a class 1 teacher walked up to my team and said, क्या पढ़ा के भेजते हो? I tell them कि तो आप इतना तेज क्यों पढ़ाते हो? And that is why for me this whole document, this whole thing of joining class 1 with so in a child finishes KG on 15th 16th of March, and on 4th or 5th of April this child goes into a PhD, right? So in my mind, the most important question to ask you is, why do you think this whole concept came about, that let's try and bring class 1 and 2 to the kindergarten rather than keeping them with the primary? The concept of play and activity, what does it mean for children?
Yeah, so when we see this, I think we are both talking about the National Policy of Education, the document, first
Yes.
5 years, 5 plus 3 plus 3. So what I understand with the thing which we call like Vidya Pravesh, or why these children have been brought classes 1 and 2, for the very simple reason, there's a lot of hurry initially even with the parents. They feel they'll bring a 3-year-old child and they'll say, my child recites a couple of poems and my child knows how to write, and they do not understand that every single day or every month makes a difference in the early years. So they'll say that that child rattles the table of 6 so easily, why not my child? It's so difficult to convince that that child is 3 months elder, or that gap is there between those 3 months. How does it matter? In your and my age, 1 year up and down, plus and minus, would not matter. But with those little children, every single day they are growing. So, when we talk about play, when we talk about learning, so classes 1 and 2, and in fact, up to Bal Vatika, class 3, they have all the right to acquire a lot of knowledge. Have that wonder in their mind, allow them to take their own space. We can also use the word competency-based education, where the child decides what pace will I learn. I have seen some schools, where they have where they don't have nursery, lower KG and higher KG separately after nursery or play class. They put it together and they allow the children how they are grasping, and then to move ahead. And once they feel that the child has qualified to a certain level, they after a talk they allow a child to move to the next class. For a couple of years there's no rat race. Has my child qualified lower KG? Has my child qualified? So in fact I believe that Bal Vatika should be labeled in such a way, had it my own way, that it's not a class at all. So this is the curriculum which has to be finished in all these years, and the child has a lot of liberty to choose. Some children, they start slow but they
Yeah,
end
and
up
then they catch,
then they
they
catch
catch
up.
up. Yeah.
Some children, they're very fast. I have also heard parents, class 5 tak mera bacha bahut acha tha. Never know, class 6, they've already burnt out the child completely, because
Yeah.
they were always like pushing the child, pushing the child. You have to come first. You have to, gain those grades. I know. So that is why this concept, what I understand, it's very, very important to allow the child in the home language. I use a sentence actually, that the child has a right to understand the padhai, the studies, in the language the child understands. So
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल absolutely, and also it doesn't mean कि वो दूसरी भाषा नहीं सीख सकता, because a child at a young age can learn 5 languages. अगर घर में 5 लोग 5 भाषाएं बोलते हैं, वो बच्चा पूरी 5 भाषाएं बोल सकता है. नाना के साथ पंजाबी बोलेगा, नानी के साथ कन्नड़ा बोलेगा, जो हेल्पर आती है उसके साथ जो भी वो लोकल लैंग्वेज. दैट इज हाउ. Another beautiful thing, Satanji, which I am really loving, all our lives we have always picked up captions from the universal, outside. When you're talking of a Bal Vatika, you're talking about Vidya Pravesh, you're talking about Nipun. These word structures, which have been created by the researchers of NCRT, CBSE, a whole lot of, thought people, because, it's very interesting. हमारा database 1000, 2000, 5000 का होता है. इनका database कुछ लाखों का होता है. They don't have small databases. They have these huge databases which they work and they research. And what I'm loving is the Indianness of what they are talking about. इतनी सादगी के साथ, इतनी simple तरीके से ये documents बनाए गए हैं कि कोई भी इसको पढ़ के इसको समझ सकता है. हमारा पर्पस बातचीत करने का ये नहीं है कि मैं विद्या प्रवेश या निपुण के बारे में सब कुछ बता पाऊं. मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि मैं इसको इसलिए बात कर रही हूं ताकि कोई अगर सुन रहा है तो वो उस डॉक्यूमेंट को उठा के पढ़ेगा, समझे. ये हमारा पर्पस है, क्योंकि 40 मिनट्स में मैं पूरा उसका, बट मैं एक इंटरेस्ट हम एज अ कम्युनिटी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. सो दैट वाज माय पर्पस ऑफ inviting you to say that.
Thank you, Sonia.
बार-बार कान में
आ जाए, हाँ, समझ में आ जाए कि कहाँ से ये बातें उठ रही हैं और क्यों हो रही हैं. एंड व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट इंडियननेस, नो, मैं एक और चीज यहाँ पर बोलती हूँ. लेट्स नॉट बी कंफ्यूज्ड बिटवीन द मीडियम एंड द लैंग्वेज. So the medium can still remain an English medium in case the parents want
absolutely, absolutely.
And I mean, both of us speak in English, but I think there are certain things which we would definitely like to share in our own mother tongue. Uska impact ही अलग आएगा.
And that is the whole purpose. And then I also, when I'm looking at the document, it very clearly says कि जो there's one more confusing thought when I've been listening to teachers. Is this period of 3 months, 12 weeks, let's say between 8 to 12 weeks, let's keep a general thing. Is it only for children who have never been to school and are going to join class 1? Or is it also for children who are already in, have done the pre-primary and are for class 1? If you could give us a perspective on that, please.
Yes. I mean, Sonia ji, thank you for asking this, though you know the answer, but you are allowing me to share this.
No, I also want everybody to, because these are, Satyaji, these are things which are misconceptions. हम अगर थोड़ा बात करेंगे, it just clears it out.
Clear हो जाएंगे. So मैं 2-3 शब्द उठाती हूँ. जैसे कोई भी बच्चा, आपने जो the question which you have asked is that the child who has been into a kindergarten, should they be put into this 3 weeks or 3 months or a 12-week course, or somebody who is directly coming to class 1, because there are children, those who are directly coming to class 1, they may have had homeschooling or they may have not had an exposure of a regular school. Now, so children, now I use a statement that children with diverse backgrounds. Diverse backgrounds mean anybody coming from home, anybody coming from a preschool experience, because different preschools have different curriculums and different methodologies how they are like teaching the children. So when they come, what does this require? What does it talk about? Actually, उसमें बच्चा क्या करेगा? तो ये हर एक के लिए है. This is for everybody across. Even the children, those who are studying in a regular school, class 1, those who have completed their kindergarten and come to class 1, they must also be put into this 3 months. Sort of an internship program before they enter into the regular PhD program, what you said, right? तो उससे पहले एक internship करा दें. Why internship? Now, since we have used this word, it gives you an idea. This is what you are going to take ahead. This is the expectation, setting expectations, right? और ये नहीं आया तो अभी we are going to do it right now.
Yes.
So that prior experience, in case they have something, that is going to help us. In case they do not have a prior experience or a right or a wrong experience, so what is going to happen is that when they complete their class 3, I mean class 1, 2 and 3, there'll be no learning crisis. Quick crisis.
Yes. Yes.
Another thing which is going to happen is they will be easily reading and understanding. पढ़कर उनको समझ में आ रहा है what they are speaking. They'll be able to understand the variety of shapes, sizes. They'll build up a context such as this is used where in real life, right? So this is, I mean, it is going to give level up the children. Okay.
Level, absolutely. Absolutely. There was this beautiful, I'm going to tell you this incident, Sapna ji. I'm just bringing it back to speakers जो पहले हमारे आ चुके हैं. बड़ा खूबसूरत हमारे पास एक, it was on 15th of August. We got Colonel S.M. Kumar, you know. So he's a sword of honor. तो मैंने उनको उनकी कहानी पूछी तो ये लेवल ग्राउंड की उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी कहानी बताई कि सर जब he entered you know the whole training academy and he said that everybody was swanky and they had nice jackets and they had nice hair and they came out of big cars and I came from this little small town and then he said I kept thinking अब मैं cope कैसे करूंगा. He said फिर हमको सबको ऐसे एक पाइल मिला यूनिफॉर्म्स का तो हमारा पहले ग्राउंड लेवल हो गया फिर हमें मिले कट फिर हमारा सेकंड ग्राउंड लेवल हो गया then I went out and I am a sword of honor today so I am just looking at a child a person who's like a grown up so at what you're talking about leveling in the sense that if a child has had some reason why the child is not able to cope. Sometimes the child is extremely good and is gone through a little patch of, and there are 3 goals that Vidya Pravesh talks about. And the first goal, it says maintain good health and well-being. And how many children do we know? How many parents do we know? How many teachers do we know who suddenly see drop in well-being of the children? There is stress, the children are not doing well, there is panic. The second goal is to become effective communicators. And what is the most commonly used sentence in class 1, Sapna ji? You've been a very experienced person. In a classroom, what does the teacher say most commonly to children?
हाँ अच्छा देखिए 2-3 चीजें टीचर हमेशा बोलती हैं. एक तो I mean finger on your lips and quiet.
Absolutely. I was waiting for that.
And have you understood? That's another thing. दूसरी चीज हर एक से पूछती है समझ में आ गया? Have you understood? Without getting a complete yes, we move ahead. The teachers move ahead.
तीसरी चीज भी है.
अच्छा तीसरी आप बताइए.
जल्दी करो.
अरे अच्छा ओहो या ये तो रेगुलर फीचर है जल्दी करो.
How can you forget that? So everybody keep quiet. Have you understood? And if you have not understood, I'm still going ahead because it's my syllabus. Okay?
Yeah, my syllabus.
And jaldi karo. But don't need to hurry up, but jaldi karo. So this is exactly what I was wanting to talk about today. Ki, look at how we contradict our own foundations. And it was so necessary to have somebody to communicate, to talk to us about this. Another thing, जैसे हम अभी जल्दी करो का topic छेड़ रहे हैं, syllabus. Syllabus is one of our biggest, restrictors as this whole implementation has to happen. What should, according to you, be a good, conducive, and even what Vidya Pravesh says, क्या होना चाहिए जो इन बच्चों के लिए सही है? What is correct for this age group? If you could put a little light on that, please.
अभी आपने ना 3 गोल्स की बात करी है ना. तो अगर हम 3 गोल्स के आसपास ही देखें सोनिया जी तो हमको ये नजर आता है जैसे पहले गोल में आपने कहा कोई सोचता ही नहीं है कि बच्चे की हेल्थ से या वेल बीइंग से उसकी पढ़ाई पर कहाँ फर्क पड़ेगा. सो आई मीन I'll also share. आपने मेरी कहानी पूछी तो मैं कहानी में एक हिस्सा भूल गई थी. In between when I also experimented starting my own school. राइट, मेरे स्कूल का नाम मैंने रखा था आई बिग वंडर, जो मेरे अब यूट्यूब चैनल का नाम भी वही है, इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट। और उस वक्त मैंने बहुत इंटेंसिव वर्क किया था, और मैं देयर वर रीजंस व्हाई आई हैड टू पुट इट डाउन। अपने घर की जगह नहीं थी तो रेंट रेट बहुत ज्यादा जा रहा था, वो खैर कभी और कहानी पूरी करेंगे। सो व्हाट आई अंडरस्टूड इज कि जब बच्चा व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इज उसका फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट, जो मैंने अभी शुरू में भी कहा था कि एक बच्चा 2 साल 8 महीने का है और अनदर चाइल्ड इज 3 years 1 month, देयर विल बी अ डिफरेंस। So there's a
Yes,
physical development which is happening,
yes,
the बच्चे की
yes.
fine motor skills. Another thing is जिसको हम सोशियो इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट बोलते हैं, बच्चे का कैसा खाना पीना है। दैट इज वाई जो लॉट ऑफ स्कूल्स वी आल्सो टॉक अबाउट हेल्दी फूड, द स्कूल स्टार्ट प्रोवाइडिंग
Yeah,
हेल्दी फूड।
yeah.
बट अभी मैं आई एम गोइंग टू कम टू व्हाट काइंड ऑफ करिकुलम, बट उससे पहले मैं गोल्स के ऊपर बात कर रही थी। ओके, नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, अगर हम गोल 1 को ही देख लें, इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ये करिकुलम का हिस्सा है। आई मीन पीपल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। और
Yeah.
जिस डॉक्यूमेंट की हम बात कर रहे हैं विद्या प्रवेश, उसमें भी बहुत अच्छे से आप जाकर जरूर देखिएगा, जो जो हमें
Yeah.
सुन रहे हैं।
Yes.
इट टॉक्स अबाउट ग्रॉस मोटर माने लार्ज मसल्स, इट टॉक्स अबाउट फाइन मोटर्स, इट टॉक्स अबाउट हमारा कोऑर्डिनेशन, माने खाली पढ़ना आना, लिटरेट होना एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है। राइट, अनदर थिंग विच आई पर्सनली फील जो एक करिकुलम के अंदर होना बहुत जरूरी है। मैंने बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को आई हैव हर्ड देम इन्यूमरेबल टाइम्स, एंड मैंने उनको डांटा तक भी है, क्या तुम फोटो देख रहे हो, जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ो। A child is actually enjoying seeing a picture, and the child is absorbing it, and the child would just take some time to open up with the reading, and they want to put the child to put a finger and start like just reading. So here it's very important, again the role of the curriculum is that when they are reading, there has to be comprehension. When they are writing, they should understand why they are writing what they are writing. So it has to be part of the curriculum. Another thing, यस, विद्या प्रवेश भी यही बात कहता है। आपने शुरू में निपुण का नाम लिया तो फाउंडेशनल लिटरेसी और न्यूमरेसी उसके साथ ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाती है। वी हैव 5 सेंसेस, हमारे 5 सेंसेस हैं, तो हमारे पास पूरा सेंसरी डेवलपमेंट बच्चे का हो जाना चाहिए, वो बहुत जरूरी है। हमारे एनवायरमेंट से हमारा क्या रिलेशन है, हम बाद में बड़े होकर बोल रहे हैं, व्हेन एज अ चाइल्ड इज ग्रोइंग,
Yeah.
दैट वी हैव टू टीच सो दैट दे रिलेट टू द रियल वर्ल्ड, real life, critical thinking, problem solving. Why not from the beginning? They start relating with the real world. I remember parents showing a child when their child is a lab kid. देखो, there's a cow, गाय है, गाय को रोटी दो करके. But when it comes to the curriculum and the child starts studying, they'll just teach COW, cow, and they move ahead.
Oh, yes, yes, absolutely. So we need to get over that part of it.
That part of it also, it's so much important. And then when we are talking about numbers, now numbers में तो अपने आप में, now what is it? It is 1. Now इतना abstract concept है, is ONE 1, is the figure 1 a 1? We have been talking, so the curriculum, the need is बच्चे का एक complete development हो जाए, ताकि उसको जहां तक पढ़ना है, the child starts enjoying the study. I remember seeing the struggle of so many children.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
They are just poor things.
And the saddest one is the cursive writing one. कि मेरा बच्चा इतने अच्छे से प्रिंट सीख लेता है, लिख लेता है, पढ़ लेता है, and just when my child is about to take off, and go into this world of reading, you catch the child back and say, no, you will write like this and you will read like that.
I think
So then
sorry to over speak, but
yeah, please, please.
The learners of 21st century, I mean, now there'll be another talk where we'll actually have to start talking about art of writing, because there's so much of the work which is happening on the systems, that this generation, what to talk about cursive writing. I mean, if they are doing the print correctly, it's okay. Yeah, I mean, there are reasons why to have a cursive writing. We all understand, that there's an experience which a child, it's quite stimulating when the child is
doing yes, that. Yes. But do we need to do it in class 1 is my question.
Exactly. Exactly.
Or we do it at the end of class 2, or end of class 3? Why cannot we do that?
Absolutely. In fact, now when I say a lot of people talk, हमने अपने टाइम में ऐसे किया, अगर सबने करा होता तो बहुत कुछ चेंज हो चुका होता, नहीं हुआ है. That is why all this is coming up. But I have seen people learning calligraphy late in life. Yes. And they do equally well. Like you've started learning Kathak. So I'm sure you're going to do equally well,
I hope so.
Right. In fact, I learned Kathak in my childhood. My mom, she taught me the classical dancing. I still have a dream. I want to perform on the stage. So, a lot of my friends.
You just have to dream it. It's like that. That's how you connect. So,
One of my,
I think ये जो आप कह रहे हैं,
हाँ,
we from class 1 onwards put the shutters down. We are actually shutting them down because then we are moving them very, very crisply out of their dreams, out of their creativity into very concrete, very and structure is good. I'm a big one for structure.
yeah.
Because unless you have a proper outcome, but what kind of a structure is this? Like I ask teachers, आप activity क्यों नहीं कर पाते? Madam, syllabus ऐसा है. तो ये क्या syllabus है? Why don't you do activity? Madam, time नहीं होता. तो ये so my this thing also Sapnaji is that do we correct the teacher or do we correct the system?
Okay. So I'll bring maybe my own way of understanding. So the system will be corrected when the teacher is trained more. Right. So, the right kind of training is required for a teacher because what is happening as of now, we train them how to deal with the curriculum. We train them how to do the lesson planning. We train them how to complete everything. But we are not training our teachers and that, the activities can save a lot of time. I'm a big fan of activities, and I promise everybody in my sessions that, I promise that my activities will never let you get challenged in your syllabus. Right? For the simple reason, they can be such a big savior for you. They'll help you revise it faster. They'll help your syllabus getting absorbed better. And the learning outcomes would be better when a child gets engaged to the right kind of activities. So all what we have to do is, so maybe this statement, if the right people are hearing, so let's train the teachers more, and the system will be correct. सब कुछ place में happen करेगा.
Because I work a lot with the professional development of teachers. I think that the system, this whole Nipun, Vidya Pravesh, the NEP, is come out so loud because if the systems are going to change, then the professional development will be of any use. Right? So what is also happening is that my teachers train ho gaye. But what about that ground that has to change? What about that classroom organization that has to change? What about the reporting pattern that has to change? So are we going to read a Vidya Pravesh document, do everything holistically, but are we going to assess like primary or like foundation? Can we talk a bit about that?
Okay, tell you, once you've got assessment, now it's very important because the moment the child comes to the school, the next week or maybe another fortnight, the parents are going to ask, what is the level of my child? बच्चे ने क्या सीखा? So everybody is worried about assessments, and that is the only way probably the schools can also document, something and prove that, the child has learned something. They are also evidences and proofs. So while we are talking about to modify the teaching learning strategies की pedagogical process को हम change करें, आपने मुझसे पूछा कि assessment process वही रहेगा क्या? Assessment process में भी change होगा. Now again, मैं तो खैर बहुत ज़्यादा training, I talk a lot about training, and I have seen a lot of people doing. मैं एक sentence बोलकर फिर assessment पर आती हूँ. Capacity build कर रहे हैं, पर आपने जैसे खुद बोला capacity तो build हो गई, पर जब हम ground पर implement करेंगे तो क्या हम assessment भी वैसे ही करेंगे, right? So now let's talk about, so जो assessment का जो तरीका होगा ना, so it's very important, time consuming होगा, challenging होगा. So we have certain things which are common for all, and we have certain things which are specific to a child. Right. So there has to be a child's. In fact, I have been quite vocal for this, not only on my videos, but otherwise also in my sessions and talks, earlier conferences when I used to travel a lot with school principals and all. I said, let's start making a dossier of a child which continues with the child till the time the child is going for a professional life.
Absolutely. And now it's all digital. So it's such an easy thing to do.
Easy thing to do. So,
it's not bulky. It's not,
जो बच्चे के learning experiences और learning outcome रहे हैं, उसकी professional और real life में बहुत helpful होंगे. when we talk about assessments, एक तो बहुत fast बार करना पड़ेगा. According to me, especially with this till Bal Vatika is there, so we just cannot have a half yearly or a final. We'll have to assess a child very well, continuously, very often. It could be monthly, weekly भी होगा, monthly भी होगा. Another thing, मैंने जैसे पोर्टफोलियो की बात करी कि हर बच्चे का पोर्टफोलियो अलग अलग होगा. नाउ इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कई बार इतना छोटा बच्चा है, 5 साल का, 7 साल का, 8 साल का, मम्मी पापा वाज फाइटिंग एट होम एंड मॉम सेड मैं घर छोड़कर जा रही हूँ. And the child had an assessment, वो बच्चा आकर लिख ही नहीं पाया. The child is worried. When I go home, will I find my mom or not?
And my mom there,
yeah. And the child is not able to do at all. And these parents, after a few days, they'll again be united. And when the results come, they'll come and ask, why you did not, right?
Yeah.
They'll blame either the teacher or blame either the child, or they can even spank the child or something. So here there has to be a story, जिसको हम लोग anecdotal records भी बोलते हैं कई बार ना. तो वो कि उस दिन कुछ था.
So the child, and anecdotal records, this is also for everybody watching, doesn't mean your interpretation. It's a simple writing of an incident that has affected the child. Later, it can be analyzed. Another very important thing, Sapniji, when you talk about assessment, setting up this, the whole thing of today, talking about the Vidya Pravesh, not the Nipun on the whole, not just the, the NEP on the whole, just that level 2 KG to class 1 gap. That is the main part. Also, they say that when children have a certain amount of challenges and disabilities, closer to the age of 6, they start becoming more visible. Is that something we can also kind of think and talk about, that if we don't give them a pattern which they are used to, how are we going to spot if there is a problem?
Yeah.
Or, so how do we get the gap?
Right.
So that,
since we are talking about this document only about Vidya Pravesh,
yes,
तो अगर आप all the people those who are listening to us, please आप जाकर इसको refer करें. Yes, जब बच्चे 6 साल के आसपास का होता है, बहुत सारी चीजें ऊपर होती हैं. So talks about how school, family, and children, I mean, how can they contribute to each other's lives? वो कैसे हो सकता है? Because when a child is very small और उसके अंदर अगर कोई learning disability है, the parents, what to talk of teachers, the parents refuse to agree. The disability मेरे बच्चे के साथ तो हो ही नहीं सकती है, पड़ोस के बच्चे के साथ disability हो सकता है. And they refuse to be even supportive, and they say this child is refusing to do the thing. In fact, we have lesser time. Otherwise, I would have bought a story to me when I was serving as a school principal. We had twin brothers. One of them was had a disability to hear, and the parents said, "Filmi gaano par to naach leta hai." And because we later on we realized that those vibrations, those loud
vibrations, yes,
the child was picking up, and it was after class 3 with lot of persistence and that medical check which we had to do in the school. The parents agreed, and then the child could get that hearing device. So it's very important. By the time the child is actually at 6 years of age, बच्चे का physical development हो रहा है, posture erect हो गया, सारी bones, there's a difference. छोटा बच्चे का 300 bones है, as we are growing 206 bones रह जाती है. So there's a lot of biology. I come from a science background, so मैं ये naturally biology के अंदर ले आती हूँ. But ये सारी चीजें develop हो रही हैं. बच्चे का these fine motor skills और ये सब कुछ develop हो गया है. Visibly हमको काफी सारी चीजें नजर आने लगती हैं, right? A few things can be identified when a child is infant or a toddler, but a few things can be identified when a child is 6 or 7 years of age. Another thing which can also be identified is how much a child is able to retain. And
retention, yes.
Retention, and then produce it at the required time. उसको अलग-अलग segregate करके उसको लेकर आना. So here now there is a lot of role of family, the parents, I mean to say, or the grandparents and the family, or that's why I use the word family. School, अगर हम देखें तो school का role है किसके लिए? For the stakeholder child. और everybody please go and refer to this document Vidya Pravesh. आपको बहुत मजा आएगा इसको डिटेल में समझने के लिए.
Another thing that is very thing is that is anybody actually calculating how much is done in the first 3 years? How many words, how many rhymes, how many stories, how many sentence structures, how many concepts? Have we calculated all that? And are we doing it in the correct fashion? So I'll give you a small example. Suppose we learn a recipe, okay? The first day we are struggling with it, right? We don't let them finalize this recipe when they have become good at it. We suddenly move them to a new recipe completely. So that is the worry of class one. And I think I have experienced it as an early years teacher that I have been more worried that my KG has to be ready for class one rather than do what the child needs to do in KG.
It's always ये तो पूरा we are talking about, since we are talking about only KG today, so I'll not bring in the
Yes,
higher
yes,
classes.
yes.
But
Just
it's
the KG today, because today that is the link we want to make stronger, you know.
Because मेरी बातचीत में higher classes automatically आ जाती हैं, but since I mean ये इतना important है, so हम क्या कैसे डॉक्यूमेंट करें, मतलब क्या डेफिनेशन होगी किसी बच्चे को, some child is able to speak 5 poems or recite 5 poems, and another one is able to recite 4 poems, then who's better? So do we check the fluency, do we check the pronunciation, do we check the expression, or we just count in numbers, my child knows this, the other one knows this, how do we compare? So this document also talks about इसी document का हिस्सा जो FLN है, it also talks about कि this is the minimum requirement. आप कुछ कह रहे थे, you were saying something.
I was just saying that, like exactly I said, minimum requirement. Now, how much of recap time are we giving the children? How much of ease are the children feeling? Why is it that everywhere in the country there is this chaos after the kindergarten? Why is that happening? Are we training our class one teachers to come down to the kindergarten and see how children learn rather than walking up and saying, children, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this, don't do that? So I think another thing that we can talk about and to schools is that why don't you have a program where the class one teachers actually spend a week in kindergarten, understanding the end of that and taking it to the beginning of the pravesh into a more formal environment? Do you feel that would help us, Apnaji? Do you feel
Yes,
that would help?
it would help. In fact, यही document ना, it talks about a school readiness mela also. राइट आप तो ये मैं छोड़ रही हूँ एक चीज, आप लोग जाकर जरूर देखिएगा इसको, व्हाट इज दिस स्कूल रेडीनेस मेला. सो दिस इज अ मेला, इट इज ऑल टॉक्स अबाउट कम्युनिटी. अभी सोनिया जी ने जो कहा कि वो जो टीचर हैं वो जाकर देखें कि कहाँ पर एंड हो रहा है ताकि हम वहां से शुरू कर पाए. तो यहाँ पर इस मेले के अंदर मैं थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे देती हूँ. So parents को aware, they will be also aware right in the front of the child, the teacher and everybody, they'll get to know कि अच्छा ये competency होनी चाहिए. So it is something like कि आप I remember years ago SL World में उस particular height के बच्चे को अंदर free allowed होता था और उससे ऊपर का ticket लगता था. This school readiness mela would be something. Okay, so if your child knows these many things, your child is ready to move ahead to a class one. And if not, then the child will be allowed, I mean, must be doing this kind of a readiness program. So the parents would, nobody feels bad. And
repeat कर रहे हैं यार, the parent in this मेला will realize कि खूब मजे का मेला है. And don't get worried अगर हम repeat कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम repeat नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम consolidate कर रहे हैं.
हाँ उस चीज को.
तो मैं कि हम उसको consolidate कर रहे हैं.
करके लेकर जा रहे हैं. So there'll be a lot of encouragement and there'll be मैं हमेशा खैर बोलती हूँ कि there should be a lot of PEP programs. I call them PEP parent education programs. The parents must be told time and again that this is what we are doing, how we are doing, and how do we want the child to absorb it.
Yes.
So that is what the difference is, because many children even in these early years, after studying from the school, they are going to some tuition teacher who is probably not trained.
No, not at all. Not at all. Invite her for the mela. 100%.
So that is why when this Vidya Pravesh ने बात करी school readiness मेला, तो मेरी तो आंख ही वहां पे बहुत देर के लिए रुकी. मैंने कहा अच्छा, and I started imagining, मैं तो visualize कर लिया पूरा एक मेला और एक.
It's a beautiful thought. मुझे तो बड़ा खूबसूरत thought लगा ये. So the few things that we're almost, we just got a minute to wind up. But Sapna ji, मुझे actually today I mean, it was like a happy chat with you, of different thoughts, of different, I think. So, what I consolidate is that we just need to consolidate. हमने सारे threads को जोड़ना है, consolidate करना है, and this school readiness mela has caught my attention completely.
Right.
So मुझे ये इवन तो मैंने पढ़ा, लेकिन जब तक जैसे हम बात करते हैं ना, इट रियली मेक्स अ डिफरेंस. So I would suggest to everybody who's watching us, everybody who's interacted with our whole last 35-40 minutes, please go and explore why this gap needs to be filled up, why it needs to be filled up. Because, and we are talking specifically from KG to class 1 right now, we're not talking about before and after, we're talking about this patch of the child which needs to be happier, which needs to be more well-being, which needs to have a lot of communication and loads of consolidation. So I hope I've been able to compile it, Sapna ji, at the end.
Yes, Sonia ji, it was so wonderfully compiled. In fact, in nutshell, you've put everything. That is how you've done it. So, and it has been, amazing talking with you. ये जो आज बातचीत की तरह से हुआ ना, it was not like a session. So it was like just a बातचीत. So it was.
मैं क्वेश्चंस नहीं भेजती सपना जी, मेरे स्पीकर्स बहुत दफा मुझे कहते हैं आप लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस भेज दिया करें, ऐसे फिर तो जी चाय पे बात थोड़ी ना होगी, ये तो क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड हो जाएगा, ये तो हमें करना नहीं है. I also want the teaching community to do the mela, the chai, the coffee, the talk. Rather than having formal interactions, it's so wonderful to sit down like this as two people and a community around us and grow, So thank you so much for being a part of our community. And Sejal, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Square, square, panda.